Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2017 Yamaha YZF-R6. This 600cc sport bike has 12,300 miles on it roughly, and still is in incredible condition even though it's had a minor tip over on both sides. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. Front tire on the bike, good shape. Service will make sure that it is. It comes with a dark tinted windscreen and adjustable levers. So on this side you can see some scraping here on the end of the bar end, as well as the edge of the mirror. The bike also comes with frame sliders, which did their job. Those are nicked up a little bit, as well as a shorty twin exhaust pipe, call it. Tank pad, fender eliminator, and an integrated tail. Back tire doesn't look horrible, but service will make sure it meets our criteria. If not, it will get replaced. So that's probably the worst spot on the bike right here, is this little section here on the tail. Also has a case saver, frame slider, adjustable lever, and missing the left side bar end. We've also got a little bit of scrape damage here on the edge of the mirror. So this bike will be getting new rider pegs as well. $12,273 is what's on it. This bike also comes with ABS. This 2017 Yamaha YZF-R6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own the sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.